First Governor General of India, Lord William Bentinck. Official duration 4 July 1828 to 20 March 1835. First and last Indian Governor General of Free India, C. Rajagopalachari. Official duration 21st June 1948 to 26 January 1950. First Commander-in-Chief of Free India, General K. M. Cariappa. Official duration 15 January 1949 to 14 January 1953. First Field Marshal of India, General S. H. F. J. Manekshaw. Official duration 8 June 1969 to 15 January 1973. First Indian to go in space, Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma spent time in space 7 days 21 hours 40 minutes. He was selected in 1982. His mission was Soyuz T-11 for launching, Soyuz T-10 for landing. First Indian to climb the Mount Everest without oxygen, Sherpa Ang Dorje. Profession Sherpa and mountaineer, born 1970. Now age is in between 50 and 51. Nationality Nepalese. He has climbed to summit of Mount Everest 20 times. First Indian to become the Managing Director of World Bank, Gautam Kaji. Gautam Subodh Kaji was born in Bombay, India on June 15, 1941. He served as Regional Vice President of World Bank for East Asia and Pacific World Bank from 1991 to 1994. Mr. Kaji served as Managing Director of Operations of World Bank for World Bank Group in Asia and Africa from 1994 to 1997. First Chairman of National Human Rights Commission, Rangnath Mishra. He was Governor of Odisha from 25 June 1982 to 31st August 1982. He was 21st Chief Justice of India from 25th September 1990 to 24 November 1991. He was first Chairman of National Human Rights Commission from 12 October 1993 to 24 November 1996. Also, he was Member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha. Official duration 1998 to 2004. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics, C.V. Raman. He was born 7 November 1888, Tiruchirappalli, Madras Presidency, British India. He was died in 21st November 1970 at the age of 82, Bangalore, Mysore State, India. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was an Indian physicist known mainly for his work in the field of light scattering. With his student K.S. Krishnan, he discovered that when light traverses a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes wavelength and amplitude. This phenomenon was a new type of scattering of light and was subsequently termed as the Raman effect or Raman scattering. In 1930, Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics and was the first Asian person to receive a Nobel Prize in any branch of science. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Literature, Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore was born 7 May 1861 and 25th of Boisak 1268 according to the Bengali calendar. Tagore was died 7 August 1941 at the age of 80, Calcutta, Bengal Presidency, British India. Now it is named Kolkata. Author of profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse of Gitanjali, he became in 1913 the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Economics, Dr. Amartya Sen. His awards are Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science, 1998. Bharat Ratna, 1999. National Humanities Medal in 2012. Johann Skytte Prize in Political Science in 2017.